me over in these cliffs. It's very windy.
There's a guy talking over you as well at the moment. Bring him in, I don't know how to do it.
Never mind, it's good to hear you on the airwaves. Carry on.
You know what, you've got more power than me, that's great.
The Baofeng UV54.
Yeah, birds around there on Channel 8. Can you give us a Roger there?
Yeah, Roger, I can hear you like you're next door to me. Like staying next to me, over.
Yeah, Roger there. I didn't know if you were talking to somebody else for a moment there. I didn't want to interfere because, I mean, this is the radio channel as we use it now at Channel 8, and I wondered if you were trying to contact somebody else over.
I was just trying to get anyone, to be honest. The last time I tried on the PMR, no one was on it at all. So I'll be listening out for some more. It's Alfie. My name's Alfie, by the way.
Yeah, Roger there. You've got Colin here. My CV handle is B17, but we go by Christian names out here. There's not many of us out here now. It's very quiet at the moment, as you just said, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, we talked before. We talked before when I was on the Folkestone Hills. I'm sure we have anyway, because I remember a few times. Anyway, I'm down at these cliffs. So I'm out of town. Just came up here for stretch my legs. And yeah, good to hear you on. Anyway, carry on with your conversation there.
No problem. Can you hear my friend and my colleague at New Romney, Roger?
I don't think so. That's a negative, I think. You're coming in very clear.
You'll be up the power so you can speak to him. He'll speak to you, I mean.
The actual cliff sides and sit on the bench, but it's very windy there, and that can make the audio sounds not clear. So I'll stay where I am. I can hear him. Yeah, Roger.
Yeah, he's got a big radio, but I think he can put the power on, but I can't think he'll hear you coming in. Can you hear him, Matt?
On and I heard him in the background, but I had to switch off, so I didn't hear him before. So I can hear him in the background, but no good on the handheld. But yeah, you're not going to do much on my side. But it's good to hear you and young people, whatever.
Yeah, well, my location is Roger that. Yeah, my location is Lydd-On-Sea, quite close to the seafront. I've got quite a big aerial, but I'm running 5R at the moment. I have got 8 watt rather. I've got an 8 watter. He's running an indoor aerial, a loft sort of thing at the moment. So you might not, obviously you're not hearing him, which is a shame. Monday night they normally have a network going, Tunbridge Wells area, I think it's channel 14, isn't it?
Last time I was on here a few weeks back, it was channel 8, and then it changed to channel 14, sorry, and then back to channel 8, and it started off at 8 o'clock Monday evenings. Yeah, I'm not that committed, to be honest, at the moment. But when it gets warmer, I know I will be committed to go up the hills, whatnot. So, but I listen to that on a Monday evening. So that's probably why I did come up to have walk my legs. That's the real reason is to go on the radio, and I didn't even know I brought the radio up just mistakenly. So the stars are watching.
Roger D, yeah.
radio, but I'm a Charlie Tango member. But you'll find me on the Folkestone CB group, the one what Matt down here's created, and my name is Alfie Defiant on there. But yeah.
Yeah, exactly. The first person was Alfie. Yeah, I would use Charlie Tango if I use the expression merchant. There's quite a lot of Charlie Tangos about. Yeah, John Boyd from Rye, you know him of course. Yes, Rover, TV.
Yeah, that's Roger, 100%. I do know John. I was talking to him earlier on Facebook. Yeah, good shout out once. I've only got to him one time for mine, but that's because good conditions and I was on a good area at the time. But yeah, I know you boys.
Yeah, your brother's quite bad now. You must be climbing up higher up that mountain where you are, because the wind's knocking you out now.
Well, to be honest, you yourself has got a good signal everywhere. So it don't matter where I've been. I was pointing or walking, and I stood still all the time. I'm going to go anyway and leave you to it. It's good to have a little chat. I recorded the radio, but that's whether it comes out on the light. I've got the headlight on, and it's pitch black up here. So I just used it to record the actual, so I can get some light. If it comes out, it'll be in the group, Folkestone group, if you wanted it on there. But that's only if it comes out as well. I ain't gonna